Hey, G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and we are at check-in down here by the E-gates before we go up to security. Now this season on Restoring a Princess, we're gonna do something a little different, what we call how-to. A lot of things have changed here at the Princess, whether it's technology, whether it's procedure, or whether just all brand new stuff. So we're gonna show you how to go through certain stuff. And today, we're gonna go upstairs and show you how to go through security, because a lot of things have changed for the better, that is. So keep it right here, Restoring a Princess.
How you doing, man? All right? You get through here, sweetie? What's going on, fellas? My man.
When the buzzer pops, you stop.
Do y'all know who I am?
If I could have all of you please remove bulky sweaters, hats, shoes. Please, for the love of God, nothing in your pockets. Ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to go ahead and take that sweater off.
All right, y'all, we're here with Akeem. How you doing?
I'm good, G. How you doing, my brother?
Right. So what is your position here?
All right, I am a security officer here at the airport.
Okay, all right, so a lot of things have changed when it comes to security. So you're gonna give us a walkthrough of what we have to do?
Right. So right now we're in the departure screening hall. And right now we are going to screen. So you have our latest new machine. You have the QPS right here.
QPS?
Right, QPS, Quick Passenger Security Scanner.
Sounds like something from a Terminator movie.
A T-1000, advanced prototype.
Okay, all right.
All right, and then you have your standard walkthrough metal detector right here.
Okay.
All right.
Now, what's the difference? Because I know this is the old school way and this is the new way. Now, when it comes to going through security, do we have a choice? Can we choose between which machines that we want to use?
Yeah, we have 4 options right now. You have the QPS, you have the standard walkthrough metal detector, and then you have you can request for a physical pat down.
Okay.
Or we use our hand one, and then we want you down as well.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so we have 2 different types of machines. Now, what happens if you have a person that maybe have like a hip replacement with metal or screws in their knee?
That must be that metal plate in my head.
Wait a minute, sir, is that a joke?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we take jokes very seriously here, okay.
Or also a person who's in a wheelchair?
Okay, so for those who have implants, we would recommend the QPS. Or those who are in a wheelchair and they have maybe difficulties assuming the position, we'd recommend this. Or say
say if they can't get out the wheelchair.
Right, then we'll give them a pat down.
A pat down.
Right.
So let's go through the procedure, right?
Sure, okay. All right, so step 1.
Okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna divest.
Divest.
Right, you're gonna divest.
What does that mean?
Divest simply means just you're gonna remove certain stuff off of it. Simple.
Okay.
All right, so as you can see, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a bin right here. And as you can see, everything is automatic.
Oh,
so no more back breaking labor. I don't have to reach over and, everything's new.
Okay,
All right, so we're gonna start from head to toe.
All right.
So, okay, no hat, you're good, okay.
Have a belt.
Okay, belt off.
Belt's gotta come off.
Right, all belts.
Your pants should fit. Your belt is not supposed to hold your pants up. It is an accessory.
Belt off.
Belt off, watch off.
Watch has to come off?
Watch has to come off.
Now, what about if I have other jewelry on? I have a cross on my neck. Does that have to come off?
Yeah.
Okay. So this can stay on or has to come off?
Let me see. Now, well, because of the pendant, yeah, definitely, yes, come off.
So it has to come off?
Yeah, come off.
Okay. All right, so I gotta take Now this goes for everybody when it comes to chains and you have to take off their jewelry. Okay. All right, this is a little different now. All right. Next.
All right, pockets empty. Make sure front and back.
Wallet?
Wallet, okay. I recommend you put it in your bag.
In my bag?
In your bag.
Not in the bin? Okay.
Not in the bin, in the bag.
Now what happens if I don't have a carry-on?
Then you
can go in the bin?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I just prefer people put it in the bag one
Okay.
time.
Keys?
Keys, bag.
Bag also too?
Bag, yeah.
Okay. Phone?
Phone, you can put it in the bin or the bag. That's okay.
Passport?
Passport, bin.
bin. And last but not, money.
Money.
Where's your wallet?
Put it in your
I
wallet.
don't have a wallet. Or we'll put it in that wallet, or
Well, then you can put it in your bag.
put it in your bag too,
right,
also.
good.
And then what if I had change?
Change bag.
Bag
Ju-
goes in the
yeah,
bag
right.
too. Okay. All right. So everything's going in
Right.
the bag.
Right. So basically, the loose objects, we want to try to put it in your bag as much as possible.
Okay.
Yeah, just to avoid anything falling out or whatever.
Okay. Now the bag, does that go in the same bin as this, or do I
Right.
put
Right.
another
You,
bin?
you can put, depending how big the stuff are, you can put pretty much almost everything inside. So you're gonna just slide this over, and then put this right inside. Good.
Good. We're good to go. Okay.
Good. Oh, one more thing.
Shoes.
Shoes. Shoes.
have
Very
to come
important.
off.
Shoes. All footwear.
Okay.
All footwear.
Shoes off. Now another question is, I have a laptop or a tablet in my bag. Do I have to take that out?
No.
So that
Laptop.
can stay in.
Yeah, that's one of our new. Yeah, you can keep the laptop in. Tablets, they're okay. You can keep it in your bag. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure your laptop's in that bag? Well, there's only one way to find out.
All right. So then we just push that through.
Right.
What's next?
Step 2. Passenger screening.
Okay.
You're gonna step inside the machine, right? And you're gonna put your feet on the yellow for me, right? Perfect. And you're gonna watch the image in front of you. All right. So now strike a pose for me.
Strike the pose.
Right. Not that kind of pose. No.
Okay, sorry. Just like how. Okay.
Right. Just how he is. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give you a signal, and you hold it. All right. Good to go. Quick, simple.
So how long does that usually take if you have a bunch of people, each person coming through?
Well, the scan itself takes about, you can say about less than 3 seconds.
Wow.
The scan itself, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe 2.5.
Okay.
Right. But then for the image to load up, it'll take maybe another half a second or whatever. So just say 3 seconds for the entire thing, right?
And then this will just show you.
Right. This will show you everything what you have here. So, right. So now I can see this is the mic right here.
The microphone.
Right. So everything else is green. So good to go.
Good to go.
Good to
And after
go.
that's the next step.
Next step, you're gonna check your bags.
Now, if something was red flagged here, what would happen?
So what's gonna happen is that the screener is gonna reject your bag. So it's gonna go right here. So now this way, if you do have something dangerous on you, you know, there's no way that you can reach
Get to
over.
it, right.
Right.
And then you'll have a screener. I guess this young lady here.
Ma'am, this over-the-counter diaper cream is prohibited.
But my baby has a rash.
Well, so do I, but I know I cannot bring a cream on board for it.
She's gonna scan your bin, and then the image will pop up right there, and then you can see exactly what you're gonna look for.
So then now I can get my bag, take my belongings, get dressed, and head on over to
Immigrant,
control.
right? Very good.
Well, thank you very much, Akeem.
You're welcome, my brother.
been a pleasure.
Anytime,
right.
man.
Well, there you have it. Screening, security screening, all new procedures, different technology, and of course, we want you guys to be ready for when you come for screening, you know exactly what you have to do here at the Princess. Keep watching for more episodes. Make sure you ring that bell and follow us for more episodes. And of course, we're going to keep the how-tos going on different procedures here at the Princess. Until next time.